Hey YouTubes, what's up? So I'm today be showing you the snow that we're having of New Jersey. This is part 2. So the ground's more white, as you can see, if you watched part 1. So I already uploaded part 1 before part 2. So the ground's a little bit more white than part 1. I'll go up to like probably 8 parts. It's pretty cool. I'll just show you the backyard. Look at the garbage cans. They already have snow on them. This is the backyard. It's pretty cool. A lot of snow, pretty cool. So I guess this is the whole video. And also look at the snow. So that's the full video. So bye.